Bluetooth allows you to stream wireless audio from your mobile phone and makes your phone calls and voice texts hands-free. That's an important safety feature. According to the Governor's Highway Safety Association, 30 states have laws forbidding drivers to hold a phone while driving. If you want to stream music or listen to phone conversations through your car speakers, but your vehicle didn't come with Bluetooth, an add-on Bluetooth kit is an inexpensive and effective solution. 1. Nalaxy KM30. The Nalaxy KM30 plugs into the 12-volt power outlet of a vehicle and sends the audio to a user-selected FM frequency that the driver then dials up on the vehicle's radio. It features a USB port for charging phones, a high-quality microphone, a bright screen, and is mounted on a gooseneck for adjustability. 2. Comsoon Bluetooth. If your vehicle has an auxiliary or mini plug input, this type of adapter has the advantage of a direct connection to your audio system. That removes the potential interference when using an FM frequency to get the sound to your radio. The Comsoon Bluetooth receiver has a 16-hour battery, noise cancellation for phone calls, and charges via USB in about 2.5 hours. 3. BK01 Bluetooth Car Kit. The BK01 Bluetooth Car Kit provides the best combination of sound quality, phone usability, and features. It produced the best music quality, as well as good phone quality, giving it a distinct edge over the other models. The BK01 is also easy to set up and use. When you first plug it into your car's 12 volts port, it automatically turns on in pairing mode. Other models we tested require you to push a combination of buttons for pairing. This can also increase the chance that you'll accidentally hit those buttons during use, setting you back to pairing mode while on the road. 4. Handsfree CK11 Wireless Handsfree Visor Car Kit. If your main use for in-car Bluetooth is making and taking phone calls, a dedicated speakerphone offers better voice quality than aux-in kits or FM transmitters do. It's the simplest to use while driving, thanks to straightforward controls that come the closest to feeling like a native Bluetooth setup. It pairs quickly and easily with your phone, and the CK11 delivers clear, crisp audio through its built-in speaker, all at a phenomenal price. Although it wasn't the loudest, fullest sounding, or fanciest looking model that we tested, it still offered the best combination of features, usability, and sound quality at a great price. 5. Kinevo BTC 450. The Kinevo BTC 450 can be powered by an internal battery or by a 12-volt outlet. Users praise its high audio quality and 2-year warranty. Dash mounting adhesive is included. The main issue: you have to be playing music in order to receive phone calls. 6. Sumind Car Bluetooth FM Transmitter. This wireless Bluetooth car adapter is the perfect connector if you want a stable connection with crystal clear sound. You can use it hands-free using the built-in microphone. With the tap function, you can switch to hands-free mode automatically from music playback status whenever you receive a phone call. Additionally, it performs well with a high-quality microphone and has noise-suppressing communication (CVC) technology, thereby enabling crystal clear calls.